Sorry.
Coba biar kita ini. Oh, satu lagi. Please. Nah.
Keep tuned in on
Serenbi.
Sorry.
How you say this word?
Serambi FM.
Serenbi.
Serambi.
FM.
Okay.
Serenbi FM.
Together.
Okay. Shaydara Loon. We are from Very Necessary Band. Keep tuned in only on Serambi FM.
90.20.
Laguna Barita na.
Keren. Well done.
Sama kami, silakan bagi Anda yang ingin nelpon di 0651637172. Sebenarnya apa yang melatar belakangi Aceh?
Canada and the woman on my left is studying in the United States, and that's
And we were like, whoa.
Orang terus really.
ya. Jadi Very Necessary sudah pernah ke Indonesia.
8 p.m.
Baik, kata Ibu Catherine jangan lupa besok di Taman Sari.
Taman Sari. Come see us at Taman Sari. You'll be sorry if you don't come see us at Taman Sari.
Sands of foreign lands like West African marabouts to remember my original tongue.
It's set free, all my people from the ocean to Indonesia. Feel me, 'cause I'm happy.
Clap hands if you are the roof. 'Cause I'm happy. Clap hands if you feel that happiness is the truth. 'Cause happiness is the truth. I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. I'm happy. Clap along if you feel that that's what you wanna do.
Take it easy.
Clap along if you feel like a room without happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you, yeah. Mama's stomach when I used to kiss you up to God. A baby with a baby ain't never had a job. So if I don't grind, tell me how we gon' survive. For me to be a father, couldn't walk away, man. Death over dishonor, I could be your deadbeat. Boy, your knight and shine, praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'm happy. Love you if you feel like